The Toon BG Diffuse Shader can be found under SASSE Library Materials Background, and you can drag and drop it onto your object. Once there, the settings can be found in the Materials tab. So we can change the saturation here, the amount that the pattern is affecting the surface, so you can see those little flecks and speckles coming in. We can darken overall, lighten overall, and change the overlay of the patterns. Speaking of the pattern, we can scale it up or down and turn the contrast either up or down if it's a little too much. So if we want to adjust the color, we can either just expand that multiply node and we can change that in here, or we can pop into the shader editor. And here you can change any aspect that you want to of the wood. So the wood effect is mainly coming from this wave texture right here. So if you needed to change the scale, if you weren't happy with the amount, if you thought it wasn't, dark enough, all those adjustments can be made from within the shader editor. And like our other shaders, it is also sensitive to colored light. We can turn green light, blue light, and red light. And that is the Toon BG Diffuse Wood.